Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify group session. To know how to fix or to solve Spotify group session, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page will enter to the window of Spotify. As you see here in this page of app info, we click force stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode. You can turn on, and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your airplane to turn off your airplane again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.